Welcome back. Now that we have built our homepage, it is time to build our other pages. Now, I'm going to show you during this topic one of the main reasons we pay for Elementor Pro. That is for the full page templates that we can insert with one click. Let me show you how. Let's head to our Pages section, and open up our About Us page in Elementor. From here, let's click Add Template. Then we are going to search About in the field here. As you can see, there are over 25 pre-built ready-to-go templates designed for About Us pages. I'm going to choose this one, but you can choose any one that you like. And just like that, you have an About Us page already done for you. All you have to do now is fill it out with your own text and media that reflect your business. It's nice because if you do not like a section, you can just delete it. You can also take other pre-built sections and add them to the page as well. I'm going to go ahead now and replace the information on the page. Look at that, we are now complete our About Us page. That was really easy, wasn't it? Let's do the same thing and create a Contact Us page. Just add template, search contact, and choose the template you like. I'm going to choose this one and replace some things. And just like that, we are complete. Now, one thing we are missing is a blog page. You don't have to have a blog page, but it is good to have one. You can use it to write about news about the company, upcoming product announcements, or articles about anything. I'm going to go ahead and add a blog page now. Now, for blogs, we actually do not need to go into Elementor for this, and you will see why in the next topic. So for now, we are just going to add a post. Then, we are just going to add a title, some text, categorize and change the featured photo. I will do that now in the WordPress page builder. When finished, click Publish or Save. Alright, congratulations, you should now have all the main components to your website, minus your store, which we will get to in the next lesson. Before we finish this topic, we still need to do a couple more things. First, we need to add our blog page to our menu. Remember, to do this, head to the Appearance tab on the sidebar and click Menus. Then, click the checkbox beside your blog page, and click Add to Menu. You can reorder your menu by dragging and dropping the page box where you want it, like this. When you are finished, click Save Menu. The next thing we are going to do is add the blog post to the home page. Head back to Homepage in Elementor Page Builder, and I'll show you how. Once we are in Elementor, all we are going to do is scroll down to where our blog section is. Then, you will look for the Posts widget. Drag and drop it underneath your blog's heading. You can change the settings in the sidebar. Now, it looks a little bare, so let me show you what it looks like when there are more blogs in the next and final topic of Lesson 3.